Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn about maps in Power BI. Maps are a powerful way to visualize geographical data in Power BI. To insert a map, you just have to come here in the Visualizations tab and click on the map icon. Let's expand this. With Map tool, we get many options like location, legend, latitude, longitude, bubble size, and tooltips. To demonstrate the map in Power BI, I have inserted a spreadsheet inside Power BI. Let me show you the spreadsheet. This is the States of Australia spreadsheet, which has a table that has 3 columns: state, region, and cells. I have added this file in the description so you can download it for your practice. Now let's go in the Power BI. We are going to put state inside location. Now on the map, the blue bubbles are showing the states of Australia. If you want to show a specific place on the map, then you can also put latitude and longitude of that space to show it on the map. Now let's put cells inside bubble size. Now the bubble sizes are showing the amount of cells in these states. For example, when I hover over on one of the bubbles, then I can see a small window that is called a tooltip. This tooltip is giving us information that this is the Western Australia state and the sum of cells in this region are $1,50,000. To demonstrate the map more clearly, let's put region inside legend. Now you can see 5 different colors on the map. These colors are demonstrating the regions inside the map. Here you can see these regions. The blue color is showing northeastern region, and then the northern region, southeastern region, southern region, and then western region. Here you can see that the southeastern region has 4 states. We are done here, but let me tell you one thing. You may see sometimes incorrect data on maps. To avoid this issue, you have to categorize your columns as geographical columns. For this, you have to go in Model View. Inside Model View, you will see these columns. Let's click any one of the columns. To categorize the state, we just have to click on it, go in Advanced, and inside Data category, we have to categorize it as a state or province. You will see a globe icon with the column. Now let's click on the region, go in data category, categorize it as a region. We can see the globe icon with region also. If you want to learn that how you can load data inside Power BI, then watch the suggested video. That's all for this video.